Всем привет, меня зовут Настя. Welcome to my channel, guys. I hope you are having a great day. And today I want to share with you how I learned to speak Russian fast and fluently. And for your information, I have attended Russian foundation courses, so I know some of the techniques and also methods and the materials they use to teach foreign students Russian language. So this might be useful for you, and it's really easy, only 3 things you need to do, so make sure you stay tuned. Okay, let's start. The first obvious thing, sorry guys, I'm just gonna tell you the obvious thing that you need to make sure you have this strong base, the alphabets. I know you've guessed it, but please, before you start your next step, you need to have a base, because if you don't have the base, you're gonna struggle even more because you are probably gonna mix up Russian and English alphabets. So it's gonna be harder for you. In order to know whether you are ready or not, you could just write down in a piece of paper, cut them out, the alphabets, and try to pick them up and guess what alphabet is that. That will help you out to make sure you have memorized all the alphabets. And then we're moving on to the next thing that we're gonna do. We are gonna do 2 things at the same time. We are gonna tackle 2 things at the same time, and this is the key. So first, what we're gonna do is you need a notebook. Start to write around 10 to 15 vocabularies, easy vocabularies that you use daily. For example, eat, sleep, time, thank you, hello, goodbye. You get what I mean. And try to reread them. No, I mean translate them first into Russian language and then try to read them over and over and over again. And in the meantime, we are gonna do okay. And in the meantime, what we're gonna do is we are gonna memorize short dialogues. This is the key. If you want to learn to speak Russian, you need to speak. In order to speak, you need to memorize. Not just memorize vocabulary, but memorize dialogues. Yes, that is what we literally did when I was taking Russian foundation courses. So I'm not gonna say like huge dialogues, like hard dialogues. No, I literally mean short and simple. For example, hi, my name is Nastya. How are you doing? Hi, my name is Marina. Thank you for asking. Goodbye. Goodbye. Like literally, hello, how are you doing? Goodbye. This short. You're gonna think this is silly, but once you start memorizing it in Russian, it's gonna be harder. But not just memorizing, also at the same time, try to memorize the words from the dialogue. It's gonna help so much. So why do you have to do the vocabulary part and the dialogue part at the same time? Because when you memorize the dialogue, you are so limited with the vocabulary. You need to know a little bit more, like for travel, you know, just in case you met some tourists, you can have a chat with them, you know, like say food instead of hi, how are you, thank you, bye. You know what I mean? So yeah, that is it. And I hope you really find this video useful, guys. And if you have trouble finding easy Russian dialogues, hit me up in the comments down below. I have some materials that I could share with you, only if it's in demand. So maybe I could make Google Words or Google like presentation so anybody can get access to it, but I will do that only if anyone asks me. So if you want it, make sure to leave in the comment down below. I will give you. Yes, I thought to experiment some different topics since I live in Russia right now and permanently will be living in Russia. If you want to know the culture, the language, the people, anything about Russia, leave in the comments down below. I will take note and maybe start making videos on that topic. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Like really subscribe to my channel Yes, and I will see you very soon. Bye!